Hi, myself Shahid Afridi, and I'm from Bokaro city, Jharkhand. I have completed my graduation in accounts honors from Binod Bihari Kulwani University, Dhanbad in year 2022. I always have been interested in IT field jobs, so I decided to switch in IT field jobs and build my career on that. But as you know that I belong from non-IT background, so it's quite difficult to get job in IT fields. So one of my friend is who is working in IT fields. He suggested me to about Evision Technoserve Private Limited. Evision Technoserve Private Limited is a consultancy company which help you to fulfill your dream to work in IT fields, especially the persons who did not belong to the IT fields and did not have education in IT backgrounds. The Evision Technoserve Private Limited give you hands-on training by most experienced trainers who are already working in the companies and having 10 to 15 years of experience on that. They teach you about basics to advanced networking concepts, server configuration, virtualization, switch routing configuration, and many more. After completed my course, I was fully confident to attend the interviews, and these things happened only because of Evision Technoserve Private Limited and their teams. The teachers who taught us like each and every things to crack the interviews, like whatever the concept we have in networking related and server related, they taught us very clearly, and they tell about the questions what we are going to face in the interviews. So after that, I got placed in LRS services as a desktop support engineer with the package of 2.76 LPA. This has happened because of the Evision Technoserve Private Limited and their team, and I would like to thank especially to the Ganesh sir and Satish Sudhakar ma'am and the Evision Technoserve Private Limited team who fulfill my dream to get a job in IT field. Thank you so much once again.